Many agencies around the country have turned to technology like drones to increase their efficiency and improve outcomes. What were once drone projects started by hobbyist officers have grown into mature drone programs that have become an integral part of daily police operations, providing better situational awareness and new tactical options.
The biggest advantage that drones bring to our agency is that it allows our aviation program to be scalable. We can use a manned helicopter for large dynamic events and the drones for more static type situations.
Only the top 10% of U.S. agencies have budgets to support fixed wing and helicopter programs. Dronesense puts an airborne program within reach of almost every agency. Drone programs not only have much lower operating costs, but there's no risk to the lives of pilots, and their aerial capabilities are comparable or even better in many situations. Dronesense now takes your drone program a step further with the launch of Dronesense Remote, our Drone as First Responder, or DFR, platform. Remote enables agencies to keep drones ready to deploy from rooftop launch sites the moment a call comes in. In just a few clicks, the remote pilot located inside a command center or staging area can select a drone to launch and fly to the call location. Pre-checks, battery swaps, and flights are overseen by rooftop personnel. The remote pilot can fly manually or autonomously, providing decision makers a low-latency live stream that can be shared internally or with cooperating agencies.
Utilizing Dronesense Remote has been a platform that's enhanced our program. We utilize drones to respond for calls for service a lot faster than we can with other assets.
Agencies like San Antonio PD, Collier County Sheriffs, and Fort Wayne PD are using Dronesense Remote to achieve better situational awareness, response times under 2 minutes, and ultimately, more lives saved.